Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've noticed that people can now leave comments on your Instagram stories, and in some cases, those comments are even visible to others, you're not alone. With Instagram's latest updates in 2025, story interactions have become more public by default. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable story comments and take back control of your privacy. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Comments. Inside the Comments section, you'll see a category specifically labeled Stories. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll have three options to choose from. 1. Anyone who sees your story can leave a comment. 2. People you follow back, only people you follow and who follow you back can comment. 3. No one disables comments on your stories completely. If you want maximum privacy and don't want anyone to leave public comments on your stories, simply choose No One. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've turned off story comments and made your stories private again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss more useful Instagram tips and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.